afternoon, sunshine, blue sky. It looks like a beautiful spring day there, trying to green things up now that we've melted most of that snow here in the Southern Valley. Working on it in a couple of patches there, but it really is starting to return to springtime weather for now. Of course, we've got some changes coming up for us here in the forecast, and it's already happening in the Northern Valley. We have clouds taking over up in Grand Forks here on our East Grand Forks camera. We're also monitoring that Red River yet again, and of course it is out of its banks. We're at moderate flood stage. We'll show you that in a moment, but you can see this is the Sorley Bridge. You can kind of make it out with the trees there, and we're looking at the floodwaters right at the bottom of it, at the base of it. One other thing too, some wave action on some of these flooded areas because of that wind that's picking up as well. So keeping an eye on things as the changes are happening already up in Grand Forks. Here's a look at the latest stage, 4587 feet, and we're just below major flood stage, on our way up, cresting this weekend, and maybe an extended crest because of that snow melt. It may last longer in the Southern Valley. We're seeing those secondary crests because of that snow and moisture. So we're adding more moisture to the system here today. We've got clear skies. Anywhere you see black on the map here, I've got black and white so we can discern the clouds a little bit better. Anywhere you see black, that's where we have clear skies. You can see clouds from the south have departed. You can even see the snow still on upper and lower Red Lakes there. And then, of course, here comes the snow, the rain, the cloud cover associated with it that continues to dip in here this afternoon. And this is all rolling in from northwest to southeast. There's a few areas here, and then you see a larger area of some scattered snow showers that will be dropping in, and that may likely fill in as we advance into the afternoon hours, taking over here. So taking a closer look, you can see Hallock may be getting some sprinkles right now. Western parts of Walsh County, the Park River area up toward New Rockford, a couple of snowflakes possible for you. And those are blowing horizontally because of the strong winds we've got going on, coming in out of the west or northwest. A gust of 43 currently in Jamestown. Fargo, not so bad, a steady speed of 21 right now, but a lot of places reporting some gusts above 30 miles per hour at this point. Temperatures warming up in the Southern Valley, staying cool up north. That's where that colder air is advancing in first. We're into the upper 30s still in many places in the Northern Valley. So here's a look at that hour-by-hour planner. The rain, the snow moves in. We'll see a mix of it starting off this afternoon as that colder air takes over and we move into tonight. This should change over to all snow at some point. We've got that wind blowing in. In between, we'll get some breaks, and these are going to be fast movers. So you may get hit by a quick round, and then half hour later, another one moves in, and they just keep sweeping through with breaks in between. Temperatures this afternoon, again, we may be seeing some of our warmest temperatures over the next couple of hours, and then that colder air taking over will stop the temperature rise or maybe even cause it to drop up in the Northern Valley, especially where it starts up first. Heading into this evening, 8 o'clock, areas of snow. I do want to mention those winds are going to be quite strong, especially initially this evening and afternoon. We could be getting some gusts to 50 miles per hour out west. And then continuing overnight, we just keep getting those rounds of snow showers, and they stick around into tomorrow morning. Still dealing with the winds with this one too for your Thursday morning to start off the day. So unpleasant for the next 24 hours or so as that moves in. So a little bit of time left in the Southern Valley though before that sweeps in. Looking at less than an inch of snow. In fact, it may even just be a very light dusting in a lot of spots. So here's your 7-day planner. Kind of unpleasant here going through Thursday afternoon. Good Friday looks good. We're looking at temperatures that'll be into the upper 40s, some sunshine, a little bit of mixed precipitation on Saturday. Looks pretty light, and it may miss a lot of us, but just something to be wary of. And then for Easter Sunday, it's looking cool. We're cooling things down to start off next week. We'll see highs in the upper 30s.
So if you're looking to get that walk in, maybe head out like right now.
Right now.
Yeah, give us another 20 minutes.
Exactly. And then get out and be aware you might be your hair might blow around a little bit with the wind.
Perfect. Thanks, Lisa. Well, straight ahead.